Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video we'll be learning how to install Messenger for the first time in your iPhone or reinstall it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your App Store and then check on your top right if your Apple ID is logged in. If it's not logged in, then you should log in, but as you can see, mine is already logged in. After that, go back to your home page and then search for Messenger. After that, install your Messenger app by clicking on the cloud icon. After that, your app will start to install on its own, like this. Once your application is installed, then click on the open button or click on the app from your home page. And your Messenger app is ready to use. Thank you for watching along the video, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, then please drop it on the comment section below, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.